We are starting last week of the month, and so far, looking at the bigger picture, we've been building balance areas higher from September lows. You can see first balance around here, second here, and third is building here. So until this changes, the bigger time frame trend is to the upside. The 3420 area is the line between previous balance, and we are currently hovering above, well, basically beside Monday every day was above, and now we are going to open with quite a big gap down. As we can see during Friday, there have been two attempts to break above this balance. We tried in the overnight and it was sold, and late in the session also couldn't break above early highs. So this indicates rejection from the highs, and natural target for this rejection is balance area low. So now we are going to open around the lows, and this will be a big tell if we can extend below last week's lows. The gap isn't that big if you count from the low, but if you look at where we closed, it is over 30 points. So it can cause some long liquidation at the open. Also, some shorts from the overnight can exit their positions as they are in profit, in really nice profit. So if we don't find direction early on, this might be because of those two things happening. And looking what can happen early on, we can dip below overnight low, test this swing low, and either extend lower or reject quickly above. If we get above overnight low, I can enter long, targeting, well, first this is small balance area that should be tested, and if we can get above here, we can explore higher and possibly fill the gap. If we get lower, then there are some references, but those are from some earlier days, so they aren't that reliable. Here is some point of control and single prints, but they shouldn't be that much telling. 3400 is around 50-day moving average also, so I think this area should be defended. I don't expect a really big move to the downside, to be honest. And if we move higher early on, it depends if we fill the gap and build acceptance within yesterday's range or get rejection from it. If we build some TPOs and volume above yesterday's low, this could be an opportunity to enter long. For example, above this double distribution, if we like move here, feel some of it, then bounce, and maybe later, or to be safer, if we make a bigger move, then retest the lows and enter longs to target overnight high. Overall, I thought that I should be more biased to the downside, but I'm not sure. Well, natural consequence of rejection at the highs is testing the lows, so this should be in play today. But the markets are more skewed to the upside, so I am questioning myself if this is the case. If we find exhaustion higher, maybe after reaching middle of this value area, and for example fail to revisit overnight high, there might be a play to trade lower. For example, if we trade similar to Friday, we were trending lower until G period, and then we finally find some buyers, and this whole move was basically covering correcting the inventory from previous day and from overnight. So if we today correct inventory early on and around G or H start rolling, for example around value area low from Friday or this small high volume node, then this might be an opportunity to enter short for continuation move that was started in the overnight.